Hi y'all, today we are going to be making some orange chocolatey chunk cookies. For this, we got some brown sugar, we got some sugar, we got some flour, we got some salt, we got some baking soda, we got some cocoa powder, we got chocolate chips, dark chocolate, we got some butter, an egg, and some oranges. I have smaller oranges. You have bigger oranges, you need less. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. Alright y'all, to start this out, we are going to take half a cup of melted butter. We got 2/3 of a cup of our regular sugar. Take 1/3 of a cup of packed brown sugar. One egg. Now I have 5 small oranges or 3 large oranges. We're going to go ahead and zest them. Alright, and then after we've zested our oranges, I went ahead and juiced them, and I got about 1/3 of a cup of our orange juice. And now we're going to go ahead and mix this for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, take 1/3 of a cup of our cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, quick mix, and we're going to take 1 cup of flour and give this a good mix. Go ahead and give this a good mix by hand. Then we're going to fold in 1 cup of our dark chocolate chips. And then we're going to go ahead, cover this with saran wrap, and we want to chill it in the fridge for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Honestly, you could chill this for a few days and bake it later if you wanted. It's not going to hurt. So I'm going to do that, and I'll bring it back. Alright y'all, so once our dough has had a chance to chill, we're going to go ahead and start placing out dollops of dough. You want to place them about 1 inch to 2 apart. Once we have our baking sheet full, we're going to throw these in the oven for about 12 minutes at 350 degrees. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we got 1 tray out of the oven. We got it on a cooling rack, starting to cool off. And if you wanted, you could just take a little more of the orange zest and use it for garnish. Alright there. And just like that, we have orange chocolatey chunk cookies. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.